Today I'm making this lovely warming chicken in creamy honey mustard sauce. We're using Dijon mustard for the sauce for a really nice warming heat. But if you wanted it a little bit hotter, you could use English mustard, or if you wanted to, you could replace completely with whole grain mustard for the same level of heat as the Dijon mustard. So let's get cooking. I'm starting with the chicken breasts, and I've got about 400 grams or 14 ounces of chicken breasts here. That's about 2 large or 3 medium chicken breasts. And I've sliced them in half horizontally, so we've got those nice smaller fillets to cook. Mix together a teaspoon of salt, pepper, paprika and dried thyme. And then we're going to sprinkle that over the chicken breasts on both sides. Heat a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of unsalted butter in a large frying pan over a medium-high heat until the butter starts to foam. Once that butter's foaming, we're going to add in those chicken fillets to the pan and cook for about 3 minutes on each side until lightly golden. Now move those chicken fillets over to one side of the pan, or pile them up on top of each other if there isn't room. And then we're going to add in a finely chopped onion and 3 minced cloves of garlic. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often until the onion softens. You can move the chicken around a little bit too so it continues to cook evenly. Now add in 120 ml or half a cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir it together with the onions so the mustard is incorporated into the sauce. Now add 120 ml or half a cup of double or heavy cream. Stir it all together to combine. And then arrange those chicken fillets evenly in the pan. We're going to simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is completely cooked through and that sauce is thickened slightly. Now turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. I like to sprinkle on a little bit of fresh parsley and then serve this honey mustard chicken with some nice boiled potatoes and green veggies. So that's my chicken in creamy honey mustard sauce, ready in about 25 minutes. And if you love a garlic honey dish, then check out my honey garlic chicken here. I'll see you next time.